Welcome back to my channel. I shouldn't even I shouldn't even say good morning, good afternoon. It is morning for me. I work for Bitcoin. Bitcoin never sleep. Bitcoin never sleep, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you guys today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. I got a few other things here that we could talk about too, but I want to talk about Bitcoin for you guys today, real quick. I'm just waking up. I want to drop this content on the go. I woke up and my stop loss hit on Phoenix. And Bitcoin was actually going to the downside a little bit, not nothing crazy. I want to show you guys something on the chart that's actually amazing though. Like, this thing works, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of like clockwork. It's like you know where it's gonna go. But I want to show you guys real quick. Let's go into the 15 minutes real quick. Just give me some of your time. Stay by. Don't go nowhere. Don't look at those dots, those red dots that you see on the screen right there. That's just marker. So disregard those. Disregard these bad boys. Let's zoom in real quick, and I want to show you guys exactly what's happening on the chart. So we could see this pivot point right here. We could see these areas of like concentration there. Like these are pivot points, and where you see this red line is actually where we closed the last all-time high, right? Where we closed the weekly candle. And I'll show you guys. Just stay here to the end, ladies and gentlemen. This is important because Bitcoin is trying to find uh, uh, a run. It's trying to find where to go right now, and this is important. So stay here, like and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you like on the go, fast, just drop it whenever. Like and subscribe, let me know. But here's what's happening with Bitcoin, and I'm gonna give you guys a price target for Bitcoin that you guys are not going to believe. Like, this is crazy. But in the immediate short term, right now, here's what's happening. So we have this pivot point here, this area of concentration where Bitcoin is actually jumping from. I have no EMA. You can see that I have my EMA off right now, but I don't want to get to those levels yet. I want to kind of like make this simple. Bitcoin is on a channel right now. It's anywhere from $67,000 back to 66,000 with 99, right? So 66099. So in this channel right here is where we're gonna make the next pivot point, because we're gonna jump to bigger and bigger price targets. So you guys can see I have an alert right here at 72,000, and the reason I have that alert at the 72,000 is because we have bigger. Let me show you guys real quick on the, if we go look at the daily, right? We have a bigger price target to aim for. And the way these works is like we could see that I took this measurement from the low here, and basically before we had a nice rejection to the downside. So I took this measurement from the low, and then you could see that it went straight. This is when we had the last rejection here, by the way. So we kind of like waterfall down, which it was nothing. It was just basically just rejecting for the next jump. And then if I take this here and I measure it, right, and I go here, if we are on a bull trend, the next upside is gonna be $92,000 for Bitcoin. Close 90,000, 92,000, whatever it is. Um, but here's what I want to show you guys. Here's what I want to show you guys real quick. Let's just jump right back into it. So a lot of people are texting me right now. Yeah, yo, what's going on? Is it going down? No, like, this is perfect, ladies and gentlemen, because everything that goes up must come down. And at this point, we can see here. Let me zoom in for you guys. Let me show you guys that we went right back. And this red dot right here, that's actually something that I put, but it's kind of like literally it went right back to this red line, which is actually the pivot point that we had here. If we zoom out and we go here, we close the candle. See, we can move this and adjust it and everything, and kind of like it'll be even better. But we could actually see that we close this weekly candle here, and but we wick all the way to 67,000, right? So this is where we're gonna build the next pivot point. So the volatility that you guys have there, don't worry about it, because at the end of the day, look, we close this weekly candle and we confirm we're basically going down now to confirm this as support for the next big jump, which is essentially this bad boy right here. And you see I got a $72,000 price target because I want to confirm that we're going to be heading I want to confirm that we're going to be heading to that $92,000. So I have a alert right here, $72,000. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. This is not financial advice, but if you guys like this type of content, like and subscribe, please, because that's how we attack the algorithm. If you like this, and this is gonna make you guys some type of money, I'm gonna give you guys the bearish scenario too, real quick. So if we go here, if we break below, if we break below the $66,000 level, we might go down. Let me show you guys some drawings real quick, and I have it in red just so the bears could be like, yo, you didn't give me the bearish scenario. But look, it's real quick. So if we break down here and then we start bouncing back up and we can't break, which is not going to happen. Not going to go there. But if we break down here and then this becomes a roof, then we might be going to some price target, at the $62,000 level. But as of right now, we're confirming this as a floor. So I want you guys to pay attention to this. Pay attention to this because the Bitcoin price could make some crazy, crazy jumps. Ladies and gentlemen, this is J Volume. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.